Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to change language in Dying Light the Beast game. After downloading the game, just you need to go to the library section on Steam, then select your game. Here I am showing you the example. Just after selecting the game, right click on it, click on properties, and here you will see the language option. Simply you need to click on it, and from here you can select any language you want. After selecting that, whatever languages you want, now restart your system once, and after restarting you can find the language on that particular language. Now if you want to change it to English, now again go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then here you can again come back and select the language to English, and it will be changed, and now you can check that the language has been changed to English version. So by this way you can easily change the language you want on Dying Light the game, on Dying Light the Beast game. So that's all for now. Thank you.